Namaste, Hamesha खुश रहो बेटिया. My name is Vanisha Singh. Today I am teaching you phytochemical and their usefulness. Glucoiso Glucosinolates. Glucosinolates are the natural components of many pungent plants such as mustard, cabbage, and horseradish. The pungency of those plants is due to the mustard oil produced from glucosinolates. When the plant material is chewed, cut, or otherwise damaged, these natural chemicals must most likely contribute to plant defense against pests and diseases and impart a characteristic bitter flavor property of cruciferous vegetables. Plants with glucosinolates occur as a secondary metabolites of almost all plants of the other order brassicales. Order in the brassicales are the example of the for the economically important family Brassicaceae as well as Caparaceae and Caricaceae. Outside of the brassicales, the genera Drypts and Putrajimba is the family of Putrangiaceae, and the Nasturtium, Tropalium, Majus are the only other known occurrence of glucosinolates. Glucosinolates occur in various edible plants such as cabbage, Brussels, sprouts, and watercress, horseradish, capers, radishes, where breakdown products often contribute to a significant part of distinctive taste. The glucosinolates are also found in the seeds of these plants. The chemistry of glucosinolates is it constitutes a natural class of organic compounds that contain sulfur and nitrogen and are derived from glucose and an amino acids. They are water soluble anions and belong to the glucosides. Every glucosinolate contain a central carbon atom which is bound via a sulfur atom of the to the thioglucose group and via a nitrogen atom to a sulfate group, making a sulfated aldoxime. In addition, the central carbon is bound to a side group. Different glucosinolates have different side groups, and it is variation in the side group that is responsible for the variation in the biological activities of these plant compounds. The essence of glucosinolate chemistry is their ability to convert into an isothiocyanate upon hydrolysis of the thioglucoside bound bond by the enzyme myrosinase. The semi-systematic naming of glucosinolates consists of the chemical name of aforementioned side group followed by glucosinolate. The spelling of the glucosinolate name as one word or two is allyl glucosinolate and has the same meaning, and both spelling are in same. Both isothiocyanates must be spelled as two words. The following are some glucosinolates and their isothiocyanate products. Allyl glucosinolate, that is sinigrin, is the precursor of allyl isothiocyanate. Benzyl glucosinolate is the precursor of benzyl isothiocyanate. Phenethyl glucosinolate is the precursor of phenethyl isothiocyanate, and then its biological effects in humans and other mammals. The toxicity, the use of glucosinolate containing crops as primary food source for animals can have negative effect if the concentration of glucosinolate is higher than what is acceptable for the animal in question, because some glucosinolates have been shown to have toxic effects as goitrogens and antithyroid agents in both humans and animals at high doses. However, tolerance level of glucosinolates varies even within the same genus. And taste and eating behavior is the glucosinolates, sinigrin among others, were shown to be responsible for the bitterness of cooked cauliflower and Brussels sprouts. Glucosinolates may alter animal eating behavior. Researchers glucosinolates are studied for their potential to affect the plant breeding, plant physiology, plant genetics, and food application. As of 2014, preliminary research was underway to assess possible protective effects of glucosinolates against cancer and dementia. The insects, glucosinolates, and their products have a negative effect on many insects, resulting from a combination of deterrence and toxicity. In an attempt to apply this principle in an agronomic context, some glucosinolate derived products can serve as anti-feedants, that is, the natural pesticides. In contrast, the diamondback moth, a pest of cruciferous plants, may recognize the presence of glucosinolates, allowing it to identify the proper host plant. Indeed, a characteristic specialized insect fauna is found on glucosinolate containing plants, including butterflies such as large white, small white, and orange tip, but also certain aphids, moths such as the southern armyworm, sawflies, and flea beetles. Other kind of insects sequester glucosinolates in specialized aphids but not in sawflies. A distinct animal myronase is found in the muscle tissue, leading to the degradation of sequestered glucosinolates upon aphid tissue destruction. The diverse panel of biochemical solution to the same plant chemical plays a key role in the evolution of plant insect relationships. Hope you all are satisfied with this session. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. If you have any query, please mention it in a comment box. I will resolve them whenever we have a live session. Thank you so much for watching this video.